All right, dear Poshers. This is a box that I've recycled. I should show you all my boxes, but I'm a bit embarrassed because I haven't collapsed them and they're a bit all over the place. But anyway, I have a collection of boxes. They're all recycled. I go to the local shops and the chemist and they give me boxes. And I just don't have to buy any. So what I've done is I've put egg cartons at the bottom, and I only use these if they've come in other parcels. So I don't buy anything. I buy the eggs because my spoiled chickens aren't laying enough. But I put that at the bottom, and that is a secure base. All right, the next step I'm going to show you is how I would wrap this gorgeous little duo. And the things I use are these old padded envelopes. I would put that there. And I would use also recycled from other parcels. Sometimes I do run out, so I have to buy it, and I can buy it cheaply online. But these are all recycled ones, and I will do it now and show you the result shortly. Now the step here I'm showing you is how I wrap it. I put a bit of bubble wrap through the teacup here. This is just my way. Lots of customers or people who sell teacups online have their own way of doing it, but this is how I do it. And then I will show you the next step of wrapping it and how I double wrap it. All right, so to make it easier, I've cut up a piece of new bubble wrap. I should have got Bernie to come and video me. He's gone up to the post office. So that is nice and secure. It's got the envelope on the base, and it's been wrapped quite a lot. I've got a chook coming to see me. Hello, Blackie. Yes. And there you go. And now I will just put some sticky tape on that.